Hi everyone, so I'm about to share another journal with you. This one is a spring themed journal and it's using ARTYmaze's kit called Spring Watercolour, and I will link that below. I've also used a few elements from one of our new kits which is called Build a Cluster. I will link that below as well. So the journal measures it. This comes in two different sizes, and I think you get the bonus, which is the traveler's notebook size, and I think you get that with the main kit, and then there's the add-on kit, if I'm correct. So I've used the TN kit. So I've done the cover, which is 2 layers of cardstock, and I've used one of the background pages from the kit to cover that. Then I've just made a simple topper, and this paper is actually from the grungy wallpaper sample kit from ARTYmaze. This is one of the journal cards, and these 3 elements here are from the Build a Cluster. So it measures 8 by 4.5, one signature, 48 pages front and back. Will be listed in my shop if you're interested. It's all been stitched all around the edge, and we have eyelets and string as a closure. And we have some tabs and lace trim throughout as well. The inside is tea dyed, so it's not a really dark colour, just a little bit hint, and it was actually a lemon tea I used. So this is one of the TN sized pages, and then here I've used one of the background pages to make pockets, and I've done the Rita Donnelly flip there, and I've used one of the Build a Cluster elements. Actually there's 2. I've layered that there. Then we have a journal card, we have a postcard, all from the kit, another tag from the kit. This is our inventory tag. That's actually from the old design shop and this is from the old design shop. That's from the Etsy store, but this is from the blog where you can get some freebies. That's just some French ephemera, and that's just tucked in there. We have a tab on here. There is plenty of journal space and some lace trim. Then we have a corner tuck here, and then I've used some elements from the Build a Cluster, but the butterfly is actually from the Spring watercolour kit. So in there we have a daffodil journal card and a journal card from the kit. We have a tag from the kit and a piece of ephemera from the kit as well. This is from, I think that's the old design shop. We have a sticker on here, and this is from, the paper is from Bohemian Crafting, the old design shop again. This Spring watercolour kit. And here we have a pocket. I've used the postcard from, well there's a few postcards, but these are the smaller ones, and I've used them to top the pockets, and this is from Build a Cluster. And that is just a stenciled coffee dyed tag, a tag from the kit, a postcard from the kit. I think I'll put that in there. And then a double journal card from the kit that goes in there. Squared paper and crocheted trim, centre of the signature. Another pocket there decorated with the postcard and the little number tiles from the Build a Cluster kit. Another tag in there, tag from the kit. And another postcard, another double journal card there. Lots of journal space. I love the yellow and the blue together. It's actually really pretty colours together. That flips out. We've got a sticker on there and a tab here. Another flip out there. And here is another little cluster using the Builder Cluster kit, apart from the butterfly again. I used that from the Spring Watercolour kit. Inventory tag, that is from the kit. Another tag from the kit, another double journal card from the kit. Then we have some lace trim, another tab, and this is another Rita Donnelly flip with the number tiles on there. We have a little like tea card there, some more daffodils, another postcard, another tag from the kit, another inventory tag, and then another French ephemera piece from the old design shop. And again, like I said, that's from the blog and not the Etsy store. And then that is the back. So that is the journal. So like I said, that will be listed in my shop if you're interested. And I'll link the Spring Watercolour kit below, and also the Build a Cluster kit. I really have to have a good play with that, but I've only just got my inks from a new printer from the HP Instant program, and touch wood, it's going to last a little bit longer than the other inks that I'd purchased. So yeah, so fun little journal to make. I enjoyed making it. Any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.